Do you guys want to know how you can make $5 every single minute? If you guys said yes to that, then you're going to love this very amazing website that is going to do just that. It's going to pay us $5 for every single minute that we do work on this website. I'm going to show you guys how to do it right now. So make sure that you type in www. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Our method for today is 100% free. It's 100% available worldwide. I know you guys are gonna love it so much because I know how much you guys love methods like these ones, and you don't need any skills, you don't need any experience of any sort, so you're good to go on that end, and it's gonna be super duper easy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So the first thing that we're gonna do is go onto the website that's gonna pay us free PayPal money. Okay, it's 100% free, so we can actually earn by completing offers. For example, to watch videos, to take surveys. Now I know a lot of people don't usually like taking surveys because they're boring and they're lengthy, they take a lot of time, but don't even worry because this website is not like that at all. All of their surveys are super duper easy, only take about 2 minutes of your time. But if you really just don't like taking surveys in general, you can still earn money doing a ton of different stuff like watching videos and completing certain offers. Now, as you can see, they have a low payment, urgent, and they have so many withdrawal methods. Now, if you don't have a PayPal account, don't even worry about it. You can choose to get paid through Amazon gift cards, Tango gift cards, and even through Bitcoin, right? Now, the best part about this website is that you can do everything that they offer all from your mobile phone. So you can take it with you anywhere. Now, although this website does work better with your phone than your laptop or your PC, doesn't mean you can't do it on your laptop or PC either. If you want to do it on your laptop or PC to have a bigger screen and all that, you can definitely do that. Now, if we scroll down a bit right here, you're gonna see that this website has paid out over $2 million and users from all over the world. Now, you're gonna check these users right here. They received their earnings, things from this website. This person got paid this amount, this one this amount, and so on and so forth. Now, if you look at that, you're gonna see that every minute people are making money on this website, and this is how we're gonna earn money as well. Now it's time to create an account on this website. Okay, we're gonna click on the join free button. It's then gonna take us to their sign up page over here. You're just gonna enter in your first name, your last name, your username, your password, and email address, and then they're also gonna be emailing you a verification email, and then what you're gonna do is obviously verify that. And once you've done that, you're gonna see that they are accepting people from all over the world. They have countries from everywhere, absolutely anywhere. And now you're definitely not gonna miss out on anything. So once you're done, we can move on to the account information. If you have accounts with all these different types of payment method, it's okay to fill in your information for all of them. I'm going to show you how you're going to withdraw later on. Once you're done, you're going to check these boxes, and then we're just going to make sure that we're not a robot. And then after that, you can finally access your account once you have registered successfully. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, up to $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because I know you guys will love what you're going to see over there. So if you want to earn some more money additionally every single day, make sure to check our description box down below. Also, please leave a comment down below stating your favorite payment method, the country that you're from, and also include what other videos you'd like to see. And so our future videos will be based completely off of all of your suggestions. We'd love to read through them and get some ideas, so make sure that you do that, and let's get back into the video. So, as I've said, you are now into your account. and now you can finally access your account. But like I mentioned earlier, you have to verify your email address. So you're just gonna do that, go through that process. And once that's all completed, you can now access your account officially. And this is how your account is gonna look like. As soon as you've created your account, you can check out that you've received 20 cents as a join bonus. So now you have somewhere to start, okay? And you're gonna be able to do and process your first ever cash out when you already have $1 or so in your account. Now, this is amazing news, okay? It means they have a very low payout threshold, meaning you just need to earn $1 and you can already withdraw that. You don't need to wait until it's $5 or $10 or whatsoever. And on top of that, this website has one of the best and the fastest withdrawal methods. Like, if you request a withdrawal, it's only gonna take 4 hours. That's literally it. And you're gonna be able to start enjoying how much you've earned with your account. And there's so much ways to earn money with this website. Now, if you hover your mouse on money, you're going to see all of these here, okay, that are presented to you. For example, popular surveys, daily paid surveys, your surveys, revenue surveys, CPS surveys, and so on. By the way, CPS surveys, okay, extra 30% on all CPS, meaning we're going to learn even more money on this website. And on top of that, they also hold raffles, which is completely free to be able to enter and to join, where you're going to be able to win $5 for completely free without doing anything. So if you hover on offer rolls, okay, you're gonna find even more money making opportunities like lettuce. You can click on peanut labs, and there's so many offers. We can earn a ton of points. It's gonna earn us so much points. All of these. Now, these points can easily be redeemed and exchanged for cash by clicking this button. If you choose to go to the referrals route, you're going to earn 25% of your referrals earning. And to get even more referrals, you're going to share your link on several social media sites. Use for free promotion on forums. You can email your family, you can email your friends, you can even use tricks that you already have under your sleeve. You can enter contests like this one, which is currently running. The top 20 members who are in the most each month, when they win a prize, entry is free, and all members are included automatically. And right now, this dude is like the top earner. He's earning over $1,000, and he or she is actually in line to win a $350, which for completely free. Now, the best part of today's video, we're going to click on popular surveys, and like I've mentioned, it's super easy, super simple, and right away we're going to be taken to this page, and now that's the list, the highest paying surveys. Now we can complete all of these, okay? For example, we're going to click on this link right here, we're going to be taken to this page, and as you can see, these particular surveys, okay, can earn you up to $8.50 in only a few minutes, because that's literally how good this is. Now, one of the things that I really enjoy about this website is that we can take as many surveys as we possibly want, as we possibly can. Not like other survey websites where there's a limit. But this is not the only way we can earn money on this website. You can also make money by playing games, watching videos, completing trial offers, taking part in quick quizzes in your spare time. Now, the name of this awesome website, finally, and is called rewardingways.com. Now, to be able to withdraw your earnings from this website, we're going to go on to the web page, and then you're going to click on withdraw cash. And once we've clicked on that, we are going to be able to cash out our earnings via PayPal, Bitcoin, gift cards, like I mentioned. Now, I'm going to show you a bonus website, okay, that's going to pay you an additional $3. It's a similar website to this, but it pays way more than Rewarding Ways. And as you can see, they also have a ton of withdrawal methods, so don't even worry if you don't have a PayPal. There are so many that you can choose from, and the name of this website is called squishycash.com. Now, they pay you just to sign up for free websites, complete offers, taking surveys, trying products and shopping online. And this website has already managed to pay out more than $350,000 to all the users, which from all over the world. As you can see, here's some proof of payment, people that are getting paid and are getting paid as much as $400, $300 in just a few days. If you're enjoying our video so far, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet, because you are not going to regret it. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell beside it so that every time we post a new video, you're going to be the first to know and you're going to be the first to make money out of all of my lovely subscribers. So make sure that you do that, and let's continue. Now, to be able to create an account on this website, you're going to click on join. Then you're going to fill in your first name, last name, username, password, email address, your mailing address, just like Rewarding Ways. And in this website, but accept members from all over the world, okay? It doesn't matter which country you're coming from, okay? You're going to fill in your birthday and complete the capture, and then once you're done that, you're going to read and agree to the terms of condition of the website, and then you're going to click on sign up. And as soon as you've created an account, you can earn money by watching videos, completing offers, taking surveys, playing games. If you want to earn free PayPal money, these two websites are the best websites that you can use. Now, it's not going to make you super rich, but you are definitely going to earn some decent money on the side. So make sure you try that out, and that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.